What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Rollin with the Fishers.
Whoa, are you gonna hiccup off through the vlog there, Mai? So what's up? We're back here at Universal Studios Hollywood. That's where we're at. We are heading down to Super Nintendo World. We got a virtual queue from 9:50 to 10:50 to try and get in there. Kai representing here with Toad on his head. Friends of the Fisher sent this over to us from Japan, so gotta represent when we go in the world, right? So
this is my second time here. This is the third time here.
Yeah.
I was at this belly. And I'm already sweating.
look it, just like you. Let me see. What? Is that you on the poster, or are you here in line with me? What? Thank you. Yahoo!
Make sure to like, subscribe, and share, and ring the notification bell. Let's roll.
Let's roll.
Let's roll.
Oh, I thought she was gonna do it in Toad's voice, but fake fan.
Let's roll.
All right, let's warp in. And we're warping back in, guys. Well, as you can see, it is crowded. Big difference than when we were here for the annual Pass Holder preview. I guess let's go.
The Goomba, yeah.
This is a weekday, guys, at 10 o'clock. Here's a bird's eye view from the single rider line, guys. What's up, Toad? What's up, Kai? What's up, crowd? So on single rider, you come here and they have a set of visors, and then you wait for a cast member to tell you to come. I don't think that's how that works, Maya.
I think I got it to say.
We'll see.
I haven't.
See, Kai.
I haven't wrapped around the nose. No, I got it.
So after you get your visors from the single rider line, you sit here on the right and you wait. And Universal, you need to make this a thing. Make Toad visors for the ride, please. Come on. Still waiting. No? Still waiting. It's you and Toad, girl. Maya, let me see. Turn around. So we're back here at Toadstool's Cafe. Our reservation came up to eat here, so we're gonna get some snacks. And I gotta represent with my people. If you want to eat here, the first thing you do is right when you walk into the line, get your reservation. We're gonna try some new foods that we haven't tried yet, so we're gonna show you guys that in a little bit.
Maybe some old foods.
So this is Toadstool short rib. We got some garlic knots, What is this, babe? The star chicken salad?
Yeah.
And then this is a tomato soup. And mushroom soup. It has the toad head. Woo! All right, guys, let's eat. All right, here is the mushroom soup, guys. If you don't like mushroom, don't order this. But I like mushrooms. See, and then if you need your own power-up band, they actually have kiosks here where you can purchase them so that you can do the mini games around here. So look at these lines to do the mini games. It's crazy. Did you do this one? Do that brick right there. Did it again. Pow, pow, pow. Let's see. Boom. Yeah. Show me what's up. Oh, the flowers actually spin, huh? So, are you DJing flowers? Mix it. Hello. Go to the next one, Kai. Punch it. Break your hand, bro. Knocked out. Bowser's Challenge, had the new food, got some coins. Might be a minute before we come back because, I mean, it's too packed as you can see behind us and over there. So, yeah.
Happy birthday, Miko.
Thank you. All right. So, thanks for rolling with us. Hey, keep doing stuff like this for you guys. Come along and roll with us, all right?
Make sure to like, subscribe, and share, and ring the bell. You know it all, and you know the motto. Let's roll out.
Yeah. Let's work. Let's warp back to the real world. Oh, now we're out of Super Nintendo World. Boo. Get your workout. Let's go. Jen, how come you didn't go up the stairs with Miley and Mikael? No?
Roll out.